Hey everybody, it's Jason here with the Stephens Group. Today we are going to go over what investors are looking for and what you need to watch out for. The Stephens Group works with a lot of investors. Most people are coming down to 30A. They want to buy a rental property. They want to use it a little bit themselves and maybe make a little bit of rental money, or some people might just do all rentals. But what we've got here is a net sheet and the way we break it down for our investors so that they can see, what am I spending on the property? What is being taken out? And how much am I going to net, or how close am I going to net at the end of the year? So I've got the net sheet. I'm going to share my screen real quick and we will pull that up. So this is a net sheet based on one of the properties that we have listed. It's 36 Rolling Dunes. It's over in Blue Mountain Beach. It is a great property. The price has actually, it was listed at 2.7 million. It has actually dropped down to 2,455,000 as of a couple days ago. So the net down here, the percent reflects that. But we'll go through it real quick. Now, what you need to watch out for is most of these may not be a rental already that you're looking at. So if I'm looking at a property with my clients and we want to find out what is it going to rent for, we get a rental projection. Well, that's what you need to be careful of, because a lot of rental projections right now are based on where the numbers were a year ago or 2 years ago, which is higher than what it is now. We're actually at about 20% lower than what we were a year or two ago. So that's one thing that you need to watch out for. Get an updated rental projection from a company that you trust. The companies that we use to get them, when they send us their rental projections, they're going to be based off of right now, and you're going to be pleasantly surprised in a year. You'll probably make more instead of calling me and say, "Hey, Jason, I made a lot less than what you said I was." So these are good rental projections that we're getting. Now, first thing, you got the community. It's Rolling Dunes is where this listing is at. And then the address is 36 Rolling Dunes. The purchase price is going to be 2,455,000. So that needs to be adjusted. But rental dollars, that one's projected to do 195,000. This is a 5-bedroom. It's got a carriage house, got a big pool. It's a great house. Rental management fee, about 20%. You can get lower, but that's average 20%. So rental dollars to owner, you're going to make 156,000. Then we're going to take out all the fees. You're going to take out the property taxes, which are 6,479, electric, water, utilities, yard maintenance. That all equals up to about 5,900. Then your insurance on the house, 5,100. There is no HOA, so that's $0 right there. Your internet and cable, they're running about $1,500. These are all annual expenses. And then the pool and the lawn maintenance, again, that's calculated right here, $5,100 annually. So total expenses, all of this right here equals 24,000, just over 24,000, which means there's a net to owner annually. You're going to make a little over $131,000, about $132,000. And if you pay cash, then you can take that and you can put it in your pocket. And if you have a loan, then of course the loan is not calculated in here, but any loan can be different. You might put down a lot of money, you might put down a little money. I don't know what your interest rate is, so we don't calculate that until after you get your loan. But you can take that $131,000 and put it towards your loan, and depending on how much you put down, you may break even, or you might be throwing a little bit at it at the end of the year. But still, it gives you a really good idea of what you're going to net. And that net, 131,000 on a purchase price of 2,455,000, you're making about a little over 5% on your money. And I know I get the hands up right there. Hey, I can make more money in the stock market. But these investments are really on the beach. They're really long-term investments. And this calculation does not take into consideration long-term appreciation, which is really where your money is going to come from at the beach. So 5-10 years from now, your property could double in value. It could go up 50%. You just don't know. Nobody's got a crystal ball, but I can tell you that here on the beach, things are probably going to continue to go up in the future. Real estate always goes up depending on how many years you're looking at it. So good investment. So guys, if you have any questions about this, please give me a call. I'm happy to go over it with you. Or if you have a property that you're interested in, shoot it to me. I'll get the numbers. I'll go over with them. I'll go over them with you. And then we can see if it's a good fit for you. My number is 850-231-7026. And I look forward to hearing from you. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.